Yep.
Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on a 2022 Mercedes GLS. Now the dealer wants to charge you about $100 to do this job, and it takes less than 2 minutes. Now the blade itself is just under $20. We'll put a link in the description of the one we use. Now let's get this started. So the wiper blade arm, you just put it in the service position, and this blade literally just pops out. Now if you notice, the old blade and the new blade don't match. The new blade has an extra clip that we're just going to pop right off, just like that. Now they're universal, so you can put it in either way, but now you see they match up. So to put it in, all you have to do is just look at where it lines up on the clip and shove it in. And then shove it down and you're done. Less than 2 minutes and you saved a ton of money. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.